Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can apply this 3D card animation to your videos on CapCut PC. So I'm just going to split these videos into like a few parts. So there's like around 6 animations that you can add. I'm just going to try to divide them into 6 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. So I'm just going to select the video, go to animation, go to combo, and select whichever one you want. There is this one, there's that, there is this, and then this one, and then this one, and lastly you have this one. So yeah, that is pretty much it really. You can also add them on photos as well. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!